Good morning student. Today we will continue our chapter 9 percentage and its application. Some word problems depend on this percentage. One is this: when making a journey I walked 12%, ran 16% and rode on a scooter 28% of total distance, and for the remaining part I travelled by bus. How many kilometers did I travel by bus if the total distance is 50 kilometers? This question you can solve by two methods. One method that you find out firstly, what is the making a journey I walk 12%. It means walking distance is equal to 12%. ये 12% किसका 12% है? 12% of total distance 50 kilometer. So firstly write down total distance is equal to, it means 12 kilometer. 12% is किसका 12%? 12% of 50 kilometer. So 12% means 12 by 100. Multiply 50, then it becomes 6 kilometer. Now see, ran 60%. It means distance covered by running. You can say running distance (16% of 50 kilometer). That is 16 by 100 multiplied by 50, it becomes 8 kilometer. And by scooter, 20% of total distance, rode on a scooter. Then distance covered by a scooter is equal to how many percent? 28% of 50 kilometer. Total distance का 28%, that is equal to 28 by 100 into 50, 14 kilometer. Remaining part I travelled by bus. Now we can calculate easily. So distance covered by bus, what we will do? Total distance minus distance covered by walking, running plus scooter. Then it becomes 50 minus 6 plus 8. 14, 14 plus 14, 28. 10 minus 8, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. Sorry. 4 minus 2, 2. 22 kilometer. Distance that covered by the bus. This is one method. Second method, see, if we add percentage, all percentage, distance covered by bus is equal to total. It is always calculated on 100. जब हम total percentage में बात कर रहे हैं, it is always calculated on 100. So we can say कि distance total cover करते हैं, then it will be 100%. तो 100% 100 में से कितना माइनस हो जाएगा? माइनस, firstly he covered 12%. Plus then 16%, then 28%. Then 100 minus 12, 16, 80, 28. 8 plus 2, 10 or 6, 16. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then remaining 10 minus 6, 4, 44%. Distance covered by bus 44%. So what is the distance? Distance is equal to, now we can calculate by 44% of 50 kilometer. Distance covered by bus is equal to 44% of 50 kilometer. How to find out this? That is 44% of 50 kilometer. Means 44 divided by 100 multiplied by 50, that is equal to 22 kilometer. So you can choose any method. You can firstly find out all the distances, then do subtraction, or you can find out firstly the percentage, how many percentage traveled by the bus, then after find out the value of distance in kilometer. Okay, see another questions. One more question if we see, a company used 75%, a company used 75% of its profits to buy new machinery and raw material. Of its profit to buy new machinery and raw material. If the amounted rupees, if the amounted rupees 55,071, find the total profit of the company. Find the total profit of the company. What is the meaning of this question? See, a company used 75% of its profit to buy new machinery and raw material. एक कंपनी अपने प्रॉफिट का 75% खर्च करती है किसके लिए? न्यू मशीनरी और रॉ मटेरियल के लिए. देन इफ द अमाउंट रुपीज 85,071, इट मीन्स इतने रुपीज उसने टोटल मशीनरी और रॉ मटेरियल्स को खरीदने में यूज़ किया है. तो फाइंड द टोटल प्रॉफिट. तो टोटल प्रॉफिट कितना होगा कंपनी का? तो अकॉर्डिंग टू स्टेटमेंट, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस? दैट 75% ऑफ टोटल प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू 85,071 रुपीज. 85,071 कितना जो है प्रॉफिट का इतना हिस्सा जो है वो खर्च हो चुका है किसमें? न्यू मशीनरी और रॉ मटेरियल में. वी डोंट नो अबाउट द टोटल प्रॉफिट. सो लेट टोटल प्रॉफिट इज रुपीज एक्स. इट मीन्स हमें इस एक्स की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. नाउ पुट इन दिस स्टेटमेंट 75%, 75 by 100 of total profit. Of means multiply x is equal to 85,071. 25 3s are 75, 25 4s are. It means it become 3 by 4x is equal to this one x. How to solve the equation? This 4 go here into multiply and 3 come in division. Now to multiply, divide 3 2s are 6, 25, 3 8s are 24, 10, 3 3s are 9, 17, 3 5s are 15, 21, 3 7s are 21. To multiply 4 7s are 28, 4 5s are 20, 22, 4 3s are 12 और 2 14, 4 8s are 32 और 1 33, 4 2s are 8 और 3 11. 1,11,228 rupees. It means total profit of the company is 1,11,228 rupees. It means this time we firstly put our statement into equation, then solve and find out your answer. Okay, now see one more question. The length of a rope is decreased by 12 1/2%. What is the new length if it was 150 meter? Length of a rope is decreased by 12 1/2%. What is the new length if it was 150 meter? What is the meaning of this question कि पहले रोप की लेंथ कितनी थी 150 मीटर. Now it is decreased by 12 1/2%. It means this is 25/2%. Then what is the new length of the rope? It means something decrease in this. What we will do, total length है 150 मीटर, 25/2% ऑफ 150 डिक्रीज हो चुका है, तो न्यू लेंथ कैसे निकालेंगे? टोटल लेंथ माइनस डिक्रीजिंग लेंथ इज इक्वल टू न्यू लेंथ. मीन्स जितनी टोटल लेंथ थी उसमें से अगर हम डिक्रीजिंग जितना पार्ट डिक्रीज हुआ है जितना पार्ट उस पार्ट को माइनस कर दें, देन वी कैन फाइंड आउट द न्यू लेंथ. सी हियर सॉल्यूशन. लेंथ ऑफ ए रोप इज डिक्रीज बाय, व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ रोप? लेंथ ऑफ a rope is equal to 150 meter decreased by 12 1/2%. It means firstly find out, so 12 1/2% of 150 meter is equal to, this is 25/2 into percentage, it means 1/100 of multiply 150, cancel out, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, then you will get 25 3s are 75 divided by 2 2s are 4, then 4 1s are 4, 35, 4 8s are 32, 30, 4 7s are 28. It means 18.75 मीटर डिक्रीज हो चुकी है. सो न्यू लेंथ इज इक्वल टू ओरिजिनल लेंथ माइनस डिक्रीज्ड लेंथ. सो दैट इज 150 minus 18.75 meter. So find out, this is 25, remaining here 9, 9 minus 8 1, 4 14 minus 1, this is 131.25 meter. So this time we will solve the question related to the percentage. In the next lecture we will discuss about the profit, SP, CP, these type of terms. And now your exercise 9th B completed. So complete in your fair notebook properly. Thank you student.